Si Efren ba saka si Django magko-concentrate na sa coaching o palalaro? Isa nga nagsabi na ba sa iyo ng incoming retirement o any update ka?
They have the freedom to play and participate in any other tournaments, no? But I think Champ Efren and Coach Todong will be playing coaches for Caro. Playing for Caro and coaching for their respective disciplines. Yan po. Si Coach Chango, hindi siya masyado nagkakaroon no? Pero if given an opportunity for him to play, why not?
Retirement. Wala pang sinasabi.
Retirement.
Gusto pa nga magsugal eh.
You have? Okay. May comment lang po si Sir Red Dumo.
A few days from now, we will be having the
Enshrinement?
new batches of
Hall of Famers.
Hall of Famers. And none of them is again from billiards. Whereas there are already 4 billiard players who have been inducted in US Billiards Congress Hall of Fame, namely Bata Reyes, Django Bustamante, Amang Parica, and Alex Pagulayan. Gagawin nyo next batch of Hall of Famers sa Philippines ay magkakaroon na ng galing sa bilyar. At isipin po natin, ang oldest player ngayon na active sa ating sports ay 72 years old na, pero bata pa siya.
Bata pa rin.
Bata rin. Wala po.
I think I would like Coach Todong to comment on that.
Opo.
Dun sa nomination, dun sa enshrinement na wala pa pumula sa billiards. Yes, Coach Todong. Francisco de la Cruz.
Ang dalawa lang talaga ni Champ Efren ang
Okay.
ang lumalaro talaga ng karo sa ngayon. Wala na talagang kalaro dito eh. Hindi naman kami nasisiro pagka hindi naman kami nasisiro sa middle. So kaya lumalaro kami ng TV. Laging may silver, bronze, ganun. Mahirap talaga yung gold sa anin. Kasi hindi na natin talaga laro yung karo. Laro ng mga Koreano, Vietnamese, hindi lang gagaling dyan. Kaya hanggang silver, bronze lang tayo. Pero mali natin, bilurong bola.
Surely si Attorney Wharton na isa sa mag-nominate ulit. Come the next nomination, di ba? For the Hall of Fame. Next batch.
Yes, let's not wait na maging posthumous to. Ibigin na natin as much as possible. Masarap mag-recognize kung yung tao na andyan pa para tumanggap, di ba? So I really believe na it's up, timely na to give. He has been the icon, the legend of the sport for the last how many years? 40 years? 30 years?
The greatest in the world.
The greatest of all time, di ba?
Go.
Baka pwede na natin itayo mo nga lang din, pwede ibenta yan eh. So, why not prolong the agony? Why not give him as soon as possible?
Sunod sa World Billiards and sa BCA, Billiards Congress of America, Hall of Famer na si Efren. Meron pa? Okay, so wala na. Attorney, so nakapasok na sa PSC yung listahan ng mga national pool members? Ganun po ba?
While hindi naman po siya nawala,
Okay.
kasi during the suspension, the POC became the caretaker.
Yes.
So we'll still continue yung ating NTP and the coaches. It just so happened when we were recognized the new federation,
Yes.
we're applying for additional.
Additional. Kasi I think last time, very small number.
Yes. So for the past few months, kami na po bibigyan ng allowances, although not big, at least meron yung aking some super players, some assistants, and some of the coach. Tayo na po bibigay. Kasi ayaw natin na na nagsasakripisyo sila, nag-effort sila, tapos sila pang magastos.
Yes, okay. Sige, salamat po sa panahon, sa inyong pagbisita sa amin dito sa Philippine Sports Writers Association. Sige, Basil, sa ngalan ng mga manlalaro, ano ang gusto mong ibahagi sa amin, pangako